Am I wrong? Am I bugged? Like, I don't think I am. This waist trainer want blood, and I'm gonna give it to her. Okay, you know the drill. You know how we start. Got a little bit of, you know, a couple days ago on it, but you know that ain't no problem. Make sure the cactus is doing its job. The essential worker is clocked in, aka the combs. And now make sure we got the ear to ear equal rights going. Y'all need to make sure y'all do not break y'all phones during quarantine. I was skateboarding the other day, you know, out some fresh air time, you feel me? This was my phone, broken. Do you know how much it costs for them to send you out a phone? Like, not even how much it costs, how much of a hold they put on your card? Because the service itself, if you have Apple Care, costs $100 with tax. It's like $107. Typical adult bill tax and type of time. If you got an 11 Pro Max, the cost of it for them to lend it to, give you a new one while you wait for the other one, like the collateral hold they put on your card, altogether $1,500, $14.99 and like 87 cents. Evil. They have my soul right now. So please keep your cases on. Be careful. Put your phone somewhere safe if you're going bike riding, skateboarding. Don't be like me. I mean, I don't got it like that to just be letting niggas borrow $1,500 from me. Like, what? Employment or not, girl, I don't want to see that. I can go buy a rug or something. Speaking of, I want to buy that rug I saw. You found. I'm gonna figure out where this case is from. I forgot. Oh my god. Am I ashy? Yep. Never mind. Okay, so now that's got a little tacky. Let's move our girl forward. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. Okay. I just hold her down real quick just for her to get acquainted. Can we talk about my straight hair still holding a curl? Every time like I take it out of its little up joint and it still has a curl, it makes me want to just keep curls in and never go straight. Yo, who else is tired of their upstairs neighbor? It can't just be, I mean, it's been me, but it's like at a Decepticon level now, bro. Like, it's a whole demon up there. Tired of my upstairs neighbors. It's an evil world we live in. Oops, covered the eyebrow. Look at that. Look at that body. Looks like 50s body here, you know? Or is it 60s? This kind of shit that makes you want to not straighten it. Still soft. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and wash my beauty blend, and I'm coming right back and do some makeup, be cute, and you know the vibes stuff. I don't know what look I'm going for today. We have eye makeup, bitch. Oh my god, what am I gonna wear? What am I gonna do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? I've never been the girl yet to do eyeshadow first, because I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm not about to stress myself out. So I'm gonna do this base first and be the G that I am. That's that. Is this it? It's clipped? Come on, let me get every last dollar out of you, baby. Today, I'm breaking quarantine. I have not been out of my neighborhood in almost 2 months. I have been the ultimate quarantine. Today, Cinco de Mayo, and I got the courage and the nerve to break it. You can owe some of that to the Aquarius influence. But I was starting to get lonely in quarantine, bro. Not sad, but lonely. Like, you know, people can social distance, right? But I don't got nobody to social distance with. I'm just with myself. Oh my God, when people call my phone, I hate it. Yo.
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Happy Cinco de Mayo. I miss you too. Where are you going? How many people? Only 4?
Yep.
Come on, y'all. Y'all doing too much. Y'all bring it.
You was just in the Bronx, so shut your mouth.
When was I in the Bronx with more than one person?
It was 1. It don't matter.
It wasn't 5? Nah, y'all are bugging. You see this? This why we never getting outside. Ever. Oh, I'm just, having 4. Just casually. A house party. Nothing crazy.
House party, you dragging.
That's a whole house party. Why y'all don't want us to see outside?
We've been quarantined. I've been quarantined. I've been home by myself. Only person I've seen this Tata. I ain't seen none of my other friends.
I just seen you. I see you with Denise the other night on somebody's Snap story.
Yeah, because she came to my house.
Oh my God. I'll talk to you later. Love you. The girls are not social distancing. Over it. They're having people over by the loads. Okay. Like, what does social distancing mean to y'all? Because there must be 2 kinds of social distancing. It's not I feel like after a certain amount of people, it's not social distance. It's just social. Am I wrong? Am I bugged? Like, I don't think I am. I'm sure it's not me at this point. I don't know if it's like a cancer thing to want to be by the rules, or the fact that I'm in my social distance bubble. I have a doctor that kind of like, I don't know if she scares me. It's like if you lived with a dentist and it's trick-or-treat night on Halloween. That's what it's like, Everybody else is just wilding, trick-or-treating figuratively, and I'm just inside like, guys, don't safe, don't spread germs. While everyone is out with their homies with the Ace of Spades chilling, and I'm just in the crib like lonelier and lonelier by the day. Like, I haven't been with more than one person in 2 months. You know what I'm going through? I'm looking at everyone like, y'all are out close. Must be nice, but yet, are you done? It's always when I'm kind of doing nothing that my makeup kind of turns out decently fire. Let's see if today is one of those days. Also, another quick catch up, like, I have not had any desire to get any of the Fenty Beauty cream bronzes and all that stuff. One, I'm in a crib. Who am I really razzle dazzling besides people over Wi-Fi? It didn't look like any razzle dazzle to me. I don't know if there's a product that maybe I just didn't see, but if y'all saw, can you let me know what it's hitting for? But I don't know, the cream shits just didn't move me. Or maybe I'm just not looking in the right places, which can always be an issue. While that bakes, I'm going to fix my manicure. Look how short my nails are. I figured I'd at least try. They're just some purple skies with clouds. Has anybody else find themselves in a digital relationship and they don't even realize it? I don't know. There's a certain restriction that feels parental about this quarantine, because I can't link on my own free will who I want to link to see if I'm okay with talking to this person or not. Like, I feel like I'm fiending to talk to someone. I'm fiending, and I don't like that. I don't like the way that feels, especially when talking to new people, because I move with a certain, I'm not giving you that much, because I can already tell after I went up for the first date that I see what I need to see. I don't need to prolong this. Me being on lockdown and not being able to travel and see what's up with it, to be in a social setting to see what's up with it in the future, is prolonging a certain amount of clipness that I would be able to go through. Now, somebody I may talk to a little bit longer than I would normally do, because Rona got me inside. I can't see what it's hitting for. I need to run down. I need to know that I'm not like in a honeymoon phase of fantasy, like different level of romanticizing right now. Son, like, I'm scared for myself. Like, girl, relax. That ain't your man. Like, or could it be? Don't tell me, girl. Got a diffuser. I don't know if you hear it, see it, smoke. It's my diffuser. It's amazing. I love it. It's spewing out some lavender to calm my eyes down. Where does time go when you do makeup? Bitch, I'm cute. You know it. Don't lie. I ain't even done yet. And that's on here. Oh my God, so what am I gonna wear? I don't know, but I'm gonna start here. I'm going to start with Swagger with the ER. It's this brown shade right here. Sky's the Limit, this one right here. This is all I'm gonna do because it's not that deep, but I did a little something, so shout out the Megalookhair. Every time I take the hair down, I don't want to flatten it. I really don't. Yo, so real quick, you know, we gotta discuss a few things before I get in the motion of putting, you know, making me look like something presentable, even though I kind of look cute. Okay, I'm losing. So originally my plan for this morning or this afternoon was to flat iron the hair, give it a swoop with a little, you know, 90s flip situation. But as you see me keep playing with it and trying to like part it, I realized that I just liked the hair too much. Like I played around with about to like flat iron it, but I just really appreciated how bouncy and full the hair is, and I had to let that be known how great.
Hey, how's it going?
I'll just add some more in there. Okay, so I kind of like what I got going on with this like 90s like full hair. So I'm just going to actually add a couple curls down here to just add to the volume up there. The little fan. Drop. Doesn't matter if it's not like a super perfect section because I'm about to brush it out anyway. So you're gonna see me play with a few half up, half hairdos, which I chose and landed on. You'll see which ones I did. But remind yourself that this is a 613 hair. I dyed it myself with a door dye, 2 bottles of the indigo navy, well more like 1.5 bottles of the indigo navy hair. This is a 12-inch hair. It's straight hair, but she clocks in for the kids, so don't be afraid. If you're afraid of straight hair and you want to put a curl that'll last, this will definitely get it done. Once again, this is Megalookhair, and I'm gonna add this to the top 5 that are of Alive hair companies for show. Also, I wanted to add again that these are the curls that I did from the first video I did. They're still holding on for dear life, like child support, you heard. This hair is as is, no layers cut into it, it's train to go. So this is definitely one way to rock it. I need outfit inspiration. Let me find that. So this is one option I came up with. I just realized I needed like my neckline a little bit more open to do the whole, you know, that girl. Okay, time for me to find something to actually wear. I just put on something to see my neck so it would make sense. So let's find some clothes. So I put on this long sleeve shirt just to give it to like cozy, sexy, cool, you know, beat face, type of energy. I put on leather, long skinny pants, like fake leather, even though it's 63 degrees right now. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm probably gonna change my outfit again. It's not really, let me see if it's the tie that's killing me and maybe I just wanna go full cozy. If I do that, then I need to take off this waist joint. Bear with me. I decided to not give up, but to just be myself and to give comfortability, sexy. Maybe my jacket will hike this up a bit. You know, my light jackets. This is what we go. We have no choice. It's 6 o'clock. Like, happy hour has started. This is when I'm wearing it in the feet. I wanted to be a hoe, but I think it's better to not. You like my face, man? I got it from LEMKE. Okay, let me see about putting on a little jeans jacket over it. See if that'll cinch the waist in. Not really, it kind of just made it doofy. Okay, y'all, this is my final outfit to put on over. I found me a nice CARHARRT to break up some color. Big, I'm with it, cozy, but you know, fuck it. I'm not in the mood to entertain nobody right now. I did, however, bring a change of clothes to when I go to Tata's house, because that's my paranoidness. This is the final. You feel me? That's all you need. And don't forget the mask, and I got some gloves. That's a change of clothes. I'm gonna pack, oh, I could have put some hairpins in. It's too late. Huh? I believe we gotta do all this to go out into the world. Sunglasses. I wish I can bring my, I don't know what I'm talking about. So pretty. Yeah. Wow. The front door. Because I don't have things like this. I'm outside during quarantine. It's okay for now, but it feels weird. We're gonna have tacos and tequila. Be weirdo. Yes, we're having coconut shrimp tacos with corn salsa, bomb-ass margaritas. Who's making them? And a good time. I am. Okay. She can sit still, okay? She already came out the house. Okay, yeah. I don't ask. I'm not asking them more. Yeah, I did.